So good day everyone! This is me again, Christina's Flores, taking the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science, Section PB in EN Bio. On this video, I am going to discuss the lesson Water and its properties. But the questions we are going to discuss describe water, cohesive, and adhesive properties, enumerating and explain briefly the properties of a water, and also give the importance of waters and useful properties of a living system. So, let's start our video. The first question that I mentioned describe water cohesive and adhesive property. When we are going to describe a water cohesive, it is a water molecules attracted to another water molecules. Bakit siya nag-a-attract? It because of hydrogen bonding. Kaya nagkikip ang molecules together to water, or we can say liquid, or gas, or we can say air. So, dahil merong bonding and the cohesive going bonding, so nagkreate din siya ng surface tension. Because of the cohesive and surface tension, it will keep the hydrogen bonding and water molecules to intact and support the things floating on the top. For example, paper clip. If we're going to put the paper clip on the glass of water, then we are putting it gently without breaking the surface, the tension surface. It is called the water cohesive because it really happens the water molecules and another water molecules is attracted to each others, that making a hydrogen bonding. When we say about surface tension, it is a skin of a water. For example, the ocean. Why the ocean is keeping together? Because of the hydrogen bonding. If we are going to say adhesive property, it is water molecules attracted to a substance than the other. Or we can say that electrical charge on a surface, or ability of a molecule to be able to stick to another surface. Example, a capillary tube. If we are going a capillary tube and a glass of water, if we are going put the capillary tube on a glass of water, we can observe that the water climbs up. So we are noticed that it is higher on the side than in the middle. So, it because of the water molecules charge as of a wall, or nag-interact siya on the other substance, di ba? Yun yung explanation or description about the adhesive properties. Another example, water molecules attracted, or water picking on a blade of a grass. So, nagpipicking siya dahil kapag nagpipicking yung water sa surface or different kind of surface, it is called adhesive properties. So, the next question. So, the second question is enumerate and explain briefly the properties of a water. So, the properties of a water consisted of 7. Which are the first, water structure facilitate a hydrogen bonding. So water can form a hydrogen bonding. It is because of belt shape, and which result a polar covalent bond and between oxygen, which is negatively charged, and hydrogen, which is positively charged. The second is water are cohesive. water molecules is attracted to another. So, it because of attraction produced by hydrogen bonding among the water molecules. So, the third is water are adhesive. So, water molecules attracted to a substance or electrical charge on a surface. Another is its ability to interact or to be able to interact on the other surface. The fourth is high specific heat. Water high specific heat can maintain a temperature. High specific heat, it is a properties caused by hydrogen bonding among the water molecules. When the water heat absorb, hydrogen bond will break and the water molecules can move freely. The fifth is water heat of evaporation. Water heat of evaporation facilitate cooling. Hydrogen bonding need to be broke for the water to evaporate. As the water evaporates, energy taken up by the process of cooling the environment where the evaporation taking place. The sixth is lower density of ice. Water molecules can develop a crystalline structure when it freezes, which is sustained by hydrogen bonding. Solid water, or known as ice, has a lower density than liquid water because of the orientation of hydrogen bonding, caused by molecules to push more apart, resulting in reduction in density. The second is solubility. Solubility is a property of solid, liquid, gaseous, and chemical substance. Polar water molecules are attracted to ions, or we can say that polar molecules and ion are soluble in a water. Also, polar compounds making the compound soluble, or we can say that water can organize into non-molecules, or water can form an ions. For example, of something solubility to salt in water. So, the last question is, what give the importance of water and useful properties of living system? If we are going to think or imagine what is the use of water, so we are thinking at that. In our normal way, we are thinking that the water can use in bathing, nagagamit natin siya sa pagliligo, sa pagsasaing, or sa different ways. Pero hindi natin alam na ang water is a very essential not just for the livelihood, not just for in every lives, but also in our body. That is the importance of water. There are benefits that can get on the water. That meaning the water is a very essential things in the world. Water properties can use in different way. Not just for ordinary or for in the same way in our lives, but also in our body. So, can be explained by referring the 7 properties of a water. So, we all know that the 7 properties of the waters allow it to support our lives to function well, all the living organism, or to function well our body in a biosphere or in the earth. So that is a very important, it is a very important that water is here to represent and also to function that can support our body to maintain the temperature or in other things that in our living organism or living system here. So that is all. Thank you for watching. I hope you will learn on this video, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. And this video is for educational purpose only. Thank you and bye-bye.